How do big companies like a Facebook update their applications without temporarily pausing them? Okay, this is very interesting. Let me explain, you will get it. Now, there is what we call load balancing. These applications, the servers of the applications, they do not deploy one server. They deploy multiple servers, but with duplicate content. Each server is containing the same data of the application. Now, when you request or when you tap something, you are requesting from the load balancer. So the load balancer, it requests data from the server that has less traffic. Now, this for what's the first advantage of the load balancer? Because it prevents one server from being overused, so it helps the website to be moving very well or with a good speed. Now, the next advantage of the load balancer is to help things like when it comes to update, the website does not go off. How does it work? Let me explain. Now, when it comes time for updating, there is also what we call another server, which we call the staging server, the server that you first upload things and you test it. So that staging server, when they finish updating it and testing it, that really this upgrade or this version is working well. Now, given that there are 4 servers running, the production servers running one application, now they go on one by one server. They drain server 1, for example. When it's drained, when it reaches zero traffic, when the load balancer is no longer pushing traffic to it after draining it, then you change it. Then you snapshot the snapshot, or you copy the data from the staging server to the working production server 1. So you go on the second server like that, server 1, server 2. So those different servers, we call them the pool. So the pool has many servers. So you go on from server 1, server 2, server 3, doing the same thing. You drain, you drain, and you put the new version. Okay, these things can be automated, but some companies, even me, I love doing